Angela Kubisky from the Morris County Chamber of Commerce with Tommy Hilkin from Tommy Toolbox. We just adjourned a half-day seminar where 35 members came to hear about the art of public speaking, taking it to the next level. Today I gave out handouts to ask for feedback versus the online survey, and I'm just overwhelmed with the positive feedback from each and every member. Tommy was fantastic, very entertaining, important, relevant, useful information. The content was over the top. This seminar exceeded my expectations. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Morris County Chamber of Commerce. Thank you really goes to Tommy Hilkin and the extraordinary time and effort that he puts into planning every single presentation that he does and helping people in business to get to the next level. Tommy Hilkin, Tommy's Toolbox, you're the best.